If you want to turn off subtitles in VLC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to disable subtitles while you're watching a video in VLC Media Player. It's a simple process, and once you know where the setting is, you can turn subtitles off in just a few clicks. If this video helps you, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open VLC Media Player and start playing the video you want to watch. This is important because the subtitle controls are available while the video is open and running. Once your video is playing, look at the top menu bar inside VLC. You'll see several options there, and the one you want is called Subtitle. Click on Subtitle and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, look for Subtrack. This is the section that controls which subtitle track is active on your video. Click on Subtrack and you'll see the available subtitle options for that file. In many cases, there will be a subtitle track selected already, which is why the subtitles are showing on the screen. To turn them off, simply click Disable. As soon as you do that, the subtitles will disappear from the current video. That's all there is to it. You do not need to restart the video or change any advanced settings. VLC will immediately stop displaying subtitles for that playback. If you ever want the subtitles back on, you can follow the same steps and choose a subtitle track again. So remember, the path is VLC, subtitle, subtrack, and then disable. It's a fast way to control subtitles without changing the original video file. And that's how to turn off subtitles in VLC in just a few seconds. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides, app tutorials, and simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.